Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have a few things from Ulta. If you are a member of Ulta, and I don't really buy a lot from them because I get so many things in boxes, but I will get my my dry shampoo and stuff like that from them, or from Walmart. Just depends, where I am at, or I'll order online when they have sales. There is an Ulta in the town that I work in. So we don't have a Sephora around here. So, but I am a member, if you want to call it that, on Sephora online as well. So, but Ulta sent me, every year they send me an email about my birthday, and you can go in the store or you can get it online, a free gift. And there's maybe 3 things to pick from. So I thought, okay, yeah, I'll get it. And I needed some dry shampoo. So, and then, if you spend so much, you get free shipping. So I bought a few things. I didn't need anything, but I bought a few things that let me show you what I bought. This is what they gave me for my birthday, which is very nice. I got, like I said, I got to pick from I think 3 things, and this was the most me. It's Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels, and with restorative colloidal silver, and it's a box of 3 pair. And personally, I have not tried this brand before, I don't think. I don't know much about Ulta, but it could be their own brand. I don't really know. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, now that I see this like this, I have had this before. I think I've gotten this in friend mail, some of these. So I remember that they're very nice. So there's 3 of them in here. So that was my free gift, and I think this was valued at either $12 or $12.99 or $14, somewhere in that range. I wouldn't pay that much for 3 eye masks though. I needed a few things, so I get I like this dry shampoo, the brand Not Your Mother's, and I get it because it's also a good price. And these are usually like $6.99, $7.99. There's the Beach Babe and the Clean Freak, and the reason I got these was just because I get the different ones. I try the different ones. This one is the texturizing dry shampoo. Honestly, they all seem to work the same for me. So, and this one, I know I've had Clean Freak before, but this one has a fragrance. It's warm sugar. I don't remember. I think they all have a little bit of a fragrance, but it's nothing, nothing that's unattractive, so. And then they have this little package. This, I believe, is an Ulta brand. If you bought 5 things, they then became $2 a piece. So you pay $10 for 5 things. So that's what this is. This is the brand Sweet and Shimmer. So I'm thinking it's their brand. This is a whipped vanilla body scrub is what it says. And, it looks like a body scrub, if you can see. It's probably sealed I can feel a seal on there. Yeah, but it's it looks like a gel. Whoops, I'll get that back on there. But it looks like a gel, and you can see the scrubby stuff in there. So it was just $2. And then I got 2 of the whipped vanilla moisturizing foot masks, and 2 of the sweet pomegranate moisturizing hand masks. And I got something, y'all, that I never buy for myself ever, but it was on sale. It was one of those things when you open up the website and then it's right there and it was on sale. I'm like, I'm gonna try that. And when I opened that box and saw this is huge. It's a candle. It's a huge candle. It's bergamot cucumber. It's an 18-ounce 4-wick candle. That should have told me right there that it was going to be huge. It's wrapped really nice so that it won't break. I did check it already to see. It's very beautiful. It smells wonderful. So it is super duper heavy. This is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? It has this pretty metal top. This glass has this rim around it. It's super pretty. It is the Homeworks brand, by that Slacken and Company, the wonderful candle company that makes for Bath and Body Works and, other companies. It's gorgeous and it smells wonderful. So it has this beautiful lid, And then inside it has this nice thing to keep it safe. You know, it's 4 wicks. And then also that other piece will come off also. And it just smells so clean and delicious. It's bergamot and cucumber. And bergamot's an orange scent, and then you've got the cucumber. So honestly, you can just take this lid off and your house is gonna, well, I've got a small house, so house will smell great. Your bathroom, your kitchen, you know, anywhere you want to put it. It smells really, really good. And I want to say this was around $14. I don't know where I'm getting that from. I think I know that they're a lot more expensive usually, but it was a sale thing that was going on when I happened to go in that day. So I bought it, and it's packaged so nicely to keep it protected. So I appreciate that it's not broken or anything. And it's just really pretty, I think. So that is my little haul from Ulta. And if you are in this video still, I have something for the treasure hunt. And just a moment. This is it. This is Skin Inc., my daily dose of uplift, smooth, and lift. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. This is a pricey item, and it's a beautiful item. And it is sealed. It has this nice seal on it. You'll have to twist it and break the seal to get it open. And it's gorgeous. There's the bottle, and it's glass. And can you see those little beads encapsulated in there? It's a beautiful product, and like I said, it's a valuable product too. So I hope that you will enjoy that. And thank you for stopping by to see what I got from Ulta. And I'm excited about it. It's some nice little things to try. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.